What is freelancing and how to earn money? Imagine waking up every morning with the freedom to choose your own projects, the freedom to work at your own time and earn money while doing it. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to start freelancing as a beginner, or if you're already into freelancing, then I'm going to show you as well how you can maximize your skills. I'll show you in this video how to choose a niche, building a portfolio. I'm going to show you as a bonus how to choose a platform and how to generate sales and leads. So step 1, choosing a niche. Choosing a niche. When it comes to freelancing, one of the most important decisions you make is choosing a niche. A niche is something specific. It's a specific area that you expertise in, that you specialize in, and it is what differentiates you from other freelancers. So how do you choose a niche? You start by thinking about your skills and experience. What are you good at? Consider your interests and what you are passionate about. For example, what do you enjoy doing? Some popular niche for freelancers include web development, content writing, graphic designs, social media management, and many more. You can explore for that niche. You can explore for that niche that may interest you as well. When choosing a niche, you want to consider the demand of that particular niche and how much people are willing to pay. Because it's a simple economics, the higher the demand, the more people are likely to pay for it. When choosing a niche, make sure to take your time as to do the research and add to your knowledge more skills under the niche that you are choosing. This brings to the second step, which is building a portfolio. As a freelancer, having a strong portfolio where clients can go and check out your work is very important. Well, how do you create a portfolio? Now first, let's talk about what you shouldn't do. You shouldn't go and be sharing your Google Drive link with all your files. It might seem easy, but it's not an effective way to display your work. Plus, it is hard for most people to navigate through them, and it doesn't really give a professional first impression. You can consider using platforms like Portfolio Box or Copyfolio. I'll drop the link to this website in the video description. You can create a professional portfolio that showcases your work, and you can add projects and highlight your achievements. But if you are just starting out, I don't have any clients, you can still build a portfolio by working on professional projects, or you can build a portfolio by working on personal projects or volunteering to help friends and families. Now when building a portfolio, you should remember to keep it focused on your best work by using high quality images and descriptions, and don't forget to update it regularly as you complete new projects. Third step, choose the platform. With so many platforms these days, how can you really choose the right one? For example, Upwork and Freelancer are great for a wide range of skills. You can find the link as well to all these platforms in the video description. Fiverr, for instance, is ideal for those who can offer services starting from at least $5 per task. And you also need to think about the fees, the payment terms, and then the competition. And as well, you should check each website with the reviews of each website before you actually think of using them. Now the fourth step, how to create sales and generate leads. Now, being able to find consistent leads, which is also sales, is important to grow your business. So I'm going to show you how you can get sales and attract new clients. One effective way is to leverage social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, even Instagram. You can join relevant groups and communities where you can target your audience, where you know your target audience and are active. You share valuable content such as some tips and tutorials. You can participate in online discussions or platforms like TikTok or even Discord servers. Another way you can generate leads is by running paid adverts on social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all those platforms. You can pay or create it yourself. Make sure you create ads that speak to target audience and highlight your previous work. To get the most from your social media ads, you can use your ad dashboard to optimize your ad and your budget regularly. Remember to track your leads and adjust your target audience. If you want me to create a video on how you can run a social media advert, do well to drop your suggestion in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do well to subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Now, by using social media and running targeted ads, you'll be able to drive quality clients to business. Freelancing is a business, so you should treat it like one. Remember to stay consistent, track your risk, and adjust your strategies where necessary. Now, don't forget to be persistent and never give up, okay? Never give up, because there are some days where it gets ugly, but eventually, before it gets beautiful, it has to get ugly. It has to get ugly as well before it gets beautiful. Most of you don't know how to run social media ads, but then there are a lot of skills that I learned through YouTube, because YouTube is already there. Whatever you can think of that you don't know how to do, someone has already done it on YouTube. For instance, I learned how to create ads on YouTube. I learned how to make videos on YouTube. I learned how to write content writing. I learned this on YouTube. I learned how to design a website on YouTube. I learned how to develop web app on YouTube, and then I had to pay for some local services as well to further my education. So you guys need to make researches, okay? Don't just limit yourself. You can make researches. It is there for you to leverage. There is information in the internet. You just have to source it out. You just have to seek it out. Now there are some comments I'll be going through, like this one right here. Can web design be used as a freelance skill? Yes, it can. Even if you're a student, it can be used. In fact, it pays well, because a lot of companies are looking to go online and are looking to make websites for their business. So long as there are companies looking to go online, so long as there is a phone, there is internet, yes, web design can be used. Forget anybody telling you that there is high competition. Forget all those bullshit. The next is if you can use paid advertising as a niche. Paid advertising is also social media ads, running social media ads. If you're someone that you manage social media as a freelancing skill, you can as well add this to your skill. Okay, you can as well add this to your skill. Now, another common questions most of you ask is how you can get your payments, how you can trust your client to pay you. Now, you can use most of these platforms that I just mentioned earlier in the video. You find the link in the video description. These platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, they will make sure that your clients are verified and you get paid when you deliver your work, so you don't get scammed. Another way is to seek for upfront payment or part payment before you start any work that you are doing at all. Some clients are reasonable and they will see to this as well. If you enjoyed this video so far, those of you that are new, this is Legit Earnings, where we share money making skills and crypto opportunities. Do well to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.